Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Want to install your new Walmart floating shelves with absolute confidence? This definitive 2025 method guarantees a flawless result, making your space look professional and stylish. We'll walk you through each precise step, ensuring maximum stability and that perfect, flush finish you desire. No more wobbly shelves or frustrating attempts. You'll gain the exact knowledge needed to complete this project quickly and easily, transforming your wall in minutes. Before you begin, gathering the right essentials makes all the difference for a smooth installation. You'll need a reliable stud finder to locate secure mounting points, a trustworthy level for perfect alignment, and a power drill equipped with suitable bits. Don't forget your measuring tape for precise placement and a pencil for marking. Also, confirm your wall anchors are correct for your wall type, whether drywall or plaster, to ensure a truly secure and lasting hold. Precision in your marking and drilling ensures a perfectly straight and incredibly strong shelf installation. First, use your stud finder to locate and mark any studs behind your wall. Then, hold the shelf bracket against the wall, use your level to ensure it's perfectly straight, and mark your drill points with a pencil. Finally, drill pilot holes to the precise depth and width recommended by your shelf hardware, making sure not to overdrill. Now for the core of your shelf stability. Installing the mounting bracket correctly. If you're not drilling into studs, gently insert your chosen wall anchors into the pilot holes until they are flush with the wall surface. Next, align the metal mounting bracket with your pre-drilled holes and firmly secure it to the wall using the screws provided with your Walmart shelf. Remember not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage your wall, ensuring a snug but not forced fit. With the bracket securely in place, it's time for the satisfying final step, placing your shelf. Carefully slide the main body of your floating shelf onto the protruding arms of the wall bracket. Apply gentle, even pressure, pushing it firmly against the wall until it sits perfectly flush and feels completely secure. Give it a gentle test with your hands to confirm stability. Now, stand back and admire your beautifully installed, perfectly stable Walmart floating shelf, ready to display your favorite items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.